Hey everyone, welcome back to BL Animation Studios. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate a simple right mark symbol. So let's start with a small intro.
Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios.
To do that, we have to create a new composition first. So I'm creating the 180 by 180 composition. So here is the created composition right now, so you can see. So first of all, you need to select the pen tool. Then you need to draw like this. So now you can see here add symbol, so just click on it. And then you can see the trim path option, then select it. Then open the trim path, then create a keyframe for end and drag it like this, and I will keep it like here, and now decrease the value of end like this. So here you can see the animation. So we need to do a smoothness, so now we need to add the ease in ease out. So to do that, just select the both keyframes and click F9, then click this bar, and here you can see the graph editor. So just select the graph. Then to make smooth, you can drag like this and it will increase the animation smoothness. So here you can see like this. Yeah, it's perfect. So we can adjust the duration by increase the keyframe size like this. I will keep it like 1 sec. So here you can animate like this. Yeah, this is perfect. So now to make it perfect, we need to add the round cap for it. To do that, we want to go to the stroke, and then here you can see the line cap. So click on it, and here you can see the round cap option. So click on it. Yeah, here you can see the transformation on it. It's now looking so beautiful. If we animate, it's like this. Yeah, that's perfect. So now we want to get more impression on it. So to do that, go to Effect and Preset, search for the glow. Yeah, here. So drag on it. Yeah, then to spread it, increase the radius. Yeah, you can see the beauty. Yeah, then intensity a little bit. Yeah, loops like this, and yeah, this is perfect, I think. So here you can see the animation is perfect. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.